Some of the most typical use cases start from finance and accounting. Invoicing process, for instance, that's something that tends to happen regularly. It's a monthly thing or a quarterly thing. And what happens, obviously, is that there is a huge peak at the end of the month or end of the quarter. And right now, most of invoice checking is done by human labor. And of course, human labor doesn't scale very well when you get these type of sort of peak periods. So what robotic process automation is often used for is for checking invoice data. Typically you have to do that across various systems. Is the customer address okay? Are the hours or the products on the invoice the right ones? Does everything check? This is a great area for utilization of robotic process automation, for instance. Another funny thing is that, I mean, you know salespeople. They're great at doing what they do, aka getting the sales, but they're not much into documentation. And for being aware of your client base, it's quite crucial that you actually have relevant data in your CRM, for instance. So what we've done robotic process automation for is, for instance, for inserting basic client data into a CRM system. So the only thing that the salesperson needs to do is basically to fill in the company name, and our robot goes out and finds all the necessary contact information, addresses and so forth, their registration numbers that are required by the sales process and the CRM system. And to sort of practice what you preach, what we've done ourselves, I mean, we sell hours. So it's quite relevant for us for our invoicing that everybody reports their hours accurately. And it has taken too much time from our supervisors to actually manage people to report their hours on time. So what we did, we implemented a tiny robot who gives us sort of friendly reminders every month that, hey, you haven't filled in your hours, please go ahead and do it. Very simple use cases, but extremely powerful and useful for your everyday business.